Hello. Now we will show you how to assemble a stand for hoods and other removable car parts. Prepare all the elements for assembly. Assemble the sliding frame. Install the sliding guides along the X-axis. Secure with the thumb screws in the outermost position. The upper sliding frame is assembled in the same way. The table legs are fixed to the X-axis guide with a screw. The rack is equipped with 4 hardware casters for easy movement. After installing all 4 legs of the table, you can loosen the ring screws and stretch the rails to the desired size. Overall dimensions of the table on the X-axis. In the assembled state, 850 mm, unfolded 1370 mm, unfolded with S-shaped supports 1900 mm. Along the Y-axis, in the assembled state, 1020 mm, in the unfolded state, 1450 mm. Don't waste your time. Assemble your stand with us and work in comfort. Order at DNEPRODENTTOOLS. Create the perfect conditions for quality repairs.